In this video, we are looking at a particular case of the distributive property when we have a perfect square expansion. That means that we have a binomial a plus b and we are trying to find the square of it. And this is a particular case of the distributive property because what we are doing at the end of the day is multiplying a plus b times a plus b. So that means we need to multiply the first term into the two terms of the second bracket and the second term into the two terms of the second bracket. And we'll get a times a, which is a square, plus ab plus ba, but I'm going to write ab again because usually we write, when we have letters, we write them in alphabetical order, plus the last term is going to be b times b, so b squared. So if we collect the like terms here, ab plus ab, what we obtain is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So each time we need to expand the perfect square, we could apply the distributive property and then collect the terms. Or we can use the formula we have over here that says that, I'm writing it again, a plus b, all of that square is the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Let's see some examples. So we want to expand using the formula. So we want to expand using this. Let's say we have x plus 1, all of this square. In this case, our value for a is x and our value for b is 1. So we need to write a square, which will be x squared, plus, and then we're going to have 2 times the product of the terms we have, so times x times 1. This is the term 2ab, plus, and for the last one we need to write b squared, which in our case is 1 squared, which is 1. So we can write this as x squared plus 2x plus 1. Let's try with another one. Let's say we have x plus 2 and we need to square all of this. We need to square x, that's our a, so we have x squared. And then we're going to have 2 times the product of the terms, so 2 times x times 2 plus the square of the second one, so 2 squared, which is 4. So we have over here x squared plus 4x plus 4. Let's say we are trying to expand 3x plus 1, all of that square. So now our a is all of it 3x, so we need to find what is 3x, all of it square, the brackets are important here, plus we have 2 times 3x times 1 plus 1 square, which is actually 1. So when we expand the square we have over here, we have 3x times 3x, which means if we multiply the numbers together, 9, and the x together, x squared. So we have 9x squared plus, for our cross term, we have 2 times 3 times x, so 2 times 3, 6x plus 1. Let's try one more. Let's say we have 5x plus 2, all of this square. So we are going to have the 5x all of it squared plus 2 times the product of 5x and 2 plus the 2 squared. So we are going to have 5 squared, which is 25 times x squared, so 25x squared plus, now we have 2 times 5 times 2, that's 20x plus 4. I'm going to write over here some more problems for you to practice. So to practice, So expand and simplify each of those cases.